Anong masasabi niyo, Jurados, sa pagtatanghal ng Mindanaoan Divas?
Ano masasabi mo?
Sir Louie?
Ano yan, Sir Louie?
Ha?
Close open, close open.
Tama, open. Oh. Okay, Almera and Angelica. Feeling ko, to be honest, I wasn't that impressed. I thought walang magic sa performance nyo. In a scale of 1 to 10, kumbaga, ang feeling ko, nag-hold back kayo, ang binigay nyo lang sa akin is a level 5. Now, I'm trying to think why. That song is a very explosive song. And parang you were preoccupied? I don't know. Anong feeling mo?
Okay, I would agree with Sir Louie. Pero alam mo, medyo, before kayo kumanta, pagdating nyo pa lang sa stage, nararamdaman ko yung confidence nyo eh. Like visually, very appealing. Ang ganda na parang, wow, malakas to. May dating to. But then, when you started singing, parang, okay, medyo mahina. Okay to. Binibuild up nila siguro. But then, walang build up.
It didn't feel like you wanted to dance with someone. I don't know.
Ako naman, to be fair naman sa inyo, I like that you really stick with your forte, which is soul. Every time you sing here, talagang soul talaga yung pinapakita niya. Pero I agree with Sir Louie and Sir Jed na for some reason, I feel like nag-hold back kayo. Especially for Almera because may mga parts na sa harmony ninyo, mas malakas yung harmony kaysa sa melody and medyo kasi distracting siya, hindi mo naririnig yung parang groove ng song because mas malakas yung boses ni Angelica. And ayun, medyo I feel like the song, even the vocal choices, the arrangement siguro na pinili nyo, parang it's less inviting to dance. So
So feeling mo song choice?
Pwede din po, sir. And parang
Hindi actually yung song maganda naman yung areglo eh kasi may build up eh. 'Di ba? May
Pero
nag-upbeat
parang
siya.
hindi nga nag-match.
Yes,
diba?
yes. But eto, in fairness naman sa inyo, vocally, both of you are amazing singers. We can feel naman the power of your voices. Yun lang siguro, parang yun nga, they were holding back a bit. I don't know.
Ako naman, you said you felt the power. I didn't feel the power. It didn't translate. I don't know. I'm trying to figure out why. But yeah, it didn't translate. It didn't reach me. It didn't hit me.
Ayun.
siguro ba meron kayong inputs din on why do you think
Why do you think we're...
Pero na-mention kanina ni Angelica, medyo kapos kayo sa hangin kanina. Ano yung kanina? Sabi niyo medyo kinakapos kayo kanina. May na-mention ka. How are you... anong feeling niyo? Kasi kami kanina, we were trying to discuss na, ba't parang wala?
Oo.
Walang magic today.
Actually, kanina sinabi mo, Almera, di ba? Parang may... Kanina, kapos
Hindi
kayo sa
nakahinga.
hangin.
Hindi naman po. Parang joke ko lang po yun kanina.
joke?
Okay.
Hindi, maganda.
Kayo po nag-joke.
Ang ganda.
Lahat. Okay.
Mas lalo na kapag kinakabahan.
Hindi nga namin napansin eh. Hindi, pero yun lang. Don't take it against us, no? But yan yung dating sa amin today. Yeah.
Hindi kayo na-surprise.
Maybe yung expectation
Yeah, we
namin
were
was
expecting
high.
something more.
Yeah, because parang labanan to eh. Parang you wanna survive and you just have to give it your best, your all.
Ikaw ba, Bestie, kung sasali ka sa TNT, anong kakantahin mo?
Hindi ako sasali, Bestie, unang-una. Bakit ako sasali dito? Napakagaling nila.
mahirap
Yun.
Salamat sa tanong, ha?
Oo. Pero maraming salamat din sa ating mga jurados at sa ating unang pares, ang Mindanaoan Divas, Almera and Angelica.